Hi beautiful people, welcome to Macoms Veg Kitchen. Thank you so much for returning and clicking on today's video. You lots are amazing. So in today's video, we are making one of our star proteins, which is highly requested, fried wagashie, also known as milk curd. Let's get right into it. Only two ingredients are needed for this, and the ingredients are fresh cow's milk and white vinegar. Wagashie is a type of West African deep fried cheese made from fresh cow's milk. So in a pot, I add about 1 liter of fresh cow's milk and bring the milk to a simmer over medium-high heat. I keep stirring to help the milk form into curds. This process requires a lot of stirring, and we're going to be doing just that. So I stir constantly. I go ahead to add white vinegar, but few drops at a time, and I stir constantly after each addition. The Fulanis from the northern part of Ghana first introduced wagashie, and its consumption provides us with some health benefits, which I'm going to talk about later. When it starts to boil, I reduce the heat to medium and cover it for about 10 minutes. I get back after that and give it a constant stir. I keep stirring to help form the curds, and then I go ahead to add few drops of vinegar and keep stirring, guys. I keep repeating the same process after minutes intervals. I go ahead to cover it and leave it to boil for about 10 more minutes. Wagashie is a good source of protein for not only vegans, but also for people who, due to reasons of health, may not want to enjoy meat. I get back after some time and I can see it's curdled. Just look at it, guys. When you have this, you know we are almost getting there. When I realize the curd has separated from the whey, which is the liquid, I leave it to boil for like extra 20 minutes to make the curd firm. It's just exactly how I want it. So I would want to bring it off fire. At this point, I line a bowl with a clean cheesecloth or net. Into the net, I add about 4 to 5 scoops of cheese. I do so until I have a desired quantity of cheese. I then go ahead to put the nets together. And then I squeeze to remove excess liquid or whey out of the curd. The curd is very hot at this point, so I'll urge you to be quite cautious. I drain every liquid out of it. I then go ahead to tie it. And then lay it on a tray. I lay it finely on a tray for it to drain for 5 to 10 minutes. I repeat the process until I'm done with all the cheese. Some health benefits of wagashie is it provides the body with calcium. It helps protect the heart from diseases like stroke. It also regulates blood pressure and reduces the risk of getting some cancers. Wagashie is a healthy sweet which contains plant protein, fiber, almost no animal fat and no cholesterol. I go ahead to take the cheesecloth or net from it. The curd is then finely removed, and then I just have 4 pieces. I go ahead to cut my curd into small chunks. You can have it in any shape or size you prefer. I like to divide it into 2 halves. After I'm done dividing it, we go ahead to deep fry it. Just look at that, so beautiful. I deep fry it until it's golden brown. After one side is properly fried and golden brown, I flip the other side and make sure I have that part fried properly. And just look at how beautiful it came out. This process is quite easy and simple, and I would urge everyone to try it. It would be better to have your homemade wagashie and enjoy it with your family. At this point, my wagashie is ready, so I take it from the oil. Wagashie can be added to salad, stews, soup, jollof rice, noodles, and other foods, and trust me, you're going to enjoy it. Just look at how mine came out. Golden brown fried wagashie. I paired it with kebab or suya pepper and some onions, and I enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't, and hit on the notification button. Let's get interactive in the comment section. Let me know if you're going to try it. Stay beautiful, stay positive. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.